This micro-housing project aims to undertake interlocking on different scales of architecture. The idea of the interlock is propelled from the physical relationship of the objects with the help of gravitation. By coupling the idea of interlock to a structural understanding, the analogy of co-support is born. Co-support works with two pieces that hold one another with extensions that reach below the other object to form the interlock. In order to extend this idea of the co-support, I experimented with multiple objects in the same system and developed pieces that stack onto one another with platforms that wove two sides of the system. As they come to the point of interlock, they express an idea of finding their position in the system. Units come together in specific ways to form the massing chunks. Site acts as its own piece in this system of interlocking. Entrance sinks below the street level and connects with the building by creating a welcoming entrance sequence. Masses get connected with stairs that provide both circulation and connection to masses. Cores extend on 4 different zones and connect the masses vertically on the corners of masses. Sectionally, they act as skewers that provide access points for the masses. Cores are the only vertically continuous spaces. In every other part of the project, circulation and massing is fragmented. Structurally, the entire building is reliant on the board piles that run through vertically. Floor plates get connected to board piles on their lowest floor, and concrete framing constitutes the first level of each mass. Remaining levels are wood framing for the residential use. Masses form courtyards on the inside that aims to have the sense of community for the residents. The elevational offset of the masses creates instances that provide different public and private spaces. Form of the masses allow ventilation and sunlight to units. The connecting bridge determines the material qualities and programmatic features of the building. Curtain wall mullions are for public use such as retail and amenities. The skin of the residential parts is formed by aluminium cladding. The grid of the panels is shaped by the creases of the masses. The interlock defines the private and public spaces. The connecting areas are exposed to outside. Aim of the project is to provide a living space that brings the public and private spaces in an articulated manner, considering the sense of community.